Today in Guillermo's Cocina, I'm going to show you how to turn taco night into breakfast taco morning. Oh, I know how it is. Sometimes, the margaritas are flowing and everybody's woo, and then you wake up going, and you need this. This is the antidote. This is the cure right here. It's super simple to make. You can whip up a ton of these things in a couple of minutes. Please an entire crowd of people with these, or just yourself if you can't, handle being around anyone else and can't even leave the house to feed yourself. This is easy. I'll show you how to do it right here today. Guillermo's Cocina, which I already said. That's okay. I can say it twice. It's my channel. I can do what I want. I can make those too. Let's go. Well, it's not breakfast tacos without potatoes, so I've got a small russet potato here. I've just washed it, basically cleaned the outside, didn't even skin it, leaving the skins on. You can take the skins off if you don't like that, but we're going to cut this into about 1/4 inch pieces, basically. Kind of potatoes O'Brien sort of size, that little thing. This is a little bit bigger, loose chops. Hey, it's morning time, and if you're making breakfast tacos, you're probably a little hungover, and who cares about the size of the potatoes? We're just going to throw these straight in here. We didn't do anything to these other than just cut them just now. They're going into some hot oil in the pan. There's, not much in here. Maybe, a 1/4 cup of oil in this pan. Just vegetable oil works great. We're going to cook these about 3.5 minutes on the first side. Don't turn them in that first 3.5 minutes, and then we're going to flip these over. They're getting some nice browning on them. You want these to get fairly crispy because they will get soggy real fast when you put them in with the eggs and everything else, and they'll kind of get lost. So get them nice and crispy. Give them another 3 minutes on the other side. When they're done like this, they look perfect. We're just going to pull these out. Now, I tipped the pan away from the towel and just am dragging these over here onto a paper towel on a paper plate. Perfect. When these are done, we're going to season the heck out of these because they want a lot of salt. So just give them a good amount of salt on those and set that aside. Now we've got some of our leftover taco meat here. It's not going to take a ton. How much taco meat? Depends on how much taco meat you like in your breakfast tacos. That is enough for about 3 tacos right there. I'm going to make it into 2, but use as much as you want. We're not going to use all the potatoes, but we got a little butter in the pan. We throw the potatoes back in, and we throw 2 eggs in this. 1 egg per taco is the proper ratio. There's a little milk in that too, maybe about 1/2 tablespoon of milk in with the 2 eggs, mixed up really, really well. And then we're putting it on this side of the pan to start. Once you give it a flip, now we're going to start incorporating everything. Everything's going in. We're mixing this all up really, really well. And this is where the fun stuff goes in. We've got some leftover pico de gallo from Taco Tuesday, and it is going in here. We've got a bunch of cheese left over. That's going in here. Oh, heck yeah, it is. Now, keep stirring this and keep mixing. You want the eggs to get nice and cooked so that they're not runny anymore, obviously, because nobody likes runny eggs. Except people that like runny eggs, in which case, don't overcook your eggs. That seems pretty simple. I've got a couple of tortillas that are warming up on the burner right there. I don't know if you see in the very top corner. They're just sitting there getting nice and warm. A couple of flour tortillas because cold tortillas suck. So that's basically it. We are officially done. All right, the tacos are fully cooked. All the meat, the eggs, the pico, the cheese, the potatoes, it's all ready to go. We are just going to lay this into our tortillas. I heated these up on top of the pan that I had cooked the potatoes in, which is efficient. Plus the steam helps get them all nice and lovely. And okay, that is a very big taco. I think I'm in enough for 3 tacos. Who's going to help me with a taco? Anybody? No. Not how the internet works. Okay. Try not to make too big a mess. Keep your counters clean so when you drop stuff, you can just pick it up and you don't even feel bad about it. Okay? It's important. All right. That is a monstrous taco. Yeah, I could have made another taco in here. And we're still ditching stuff. It's ejecting. It's saying no, it's too much. I can't handle it. All right, I'll put it in that one. Fine. There it goes. All right, now sauces on this are up to you. What does it want to be like that? I don't know. This is some leftover of the Taco Bell creamy chipotle sauce that I had made earlier. Although this is really thick, and I'm not sure it's going to come out? We shall find out, because this is a great sauce. Yeah, it's too thick to go through that little hole. It was a nice try. Okay, fallback plan. I'm just going with the Tapatio. Come on. Kidding, of course. Oh, you gotta have it extra spicy, because there's a reason you're having breakfast tacos, and it's usually because you did something naughty last night. And your head hurts a little bit, and your stomach hurts a little bit, and hot sauce fixes that. Oh, trust me, it fixes that. This is beautiful and amazing. I'm gonna take a thumbnail real fast. Hold on one second. I will be right back, and we'll eat this thing. Did you think I forgot to put more cheese on it? There's a ton of cheese in it, but of course it needs more cheese. I almost forgot to put more cheese on this. Can you believe? Okay, roast me in the comments for that. Seriously. That was a major faux pas. Okay, I got Monterey Jack and the cheddar, which you saw earlier. That's going on here. Oh yeah. Okay, now it's thumbnail time. Okay, thumbnails are shot. And as you see, I found the creamy jalapeno sauce in there. It was sitting next to the creamy chipotle sauce, and that one flows much better. So that's what ended up on here. You can pick whatever you want. Crema is amazing on this sour cream. Oh, Mexican sour cream is so good on this. You can put just about anything you want. This is what I want. And now, here's what everybody wants. The money shot. Oh, that is coming out the back end. In more ways than one. Come on, we all know what these do to you. I think that's how it cures a hangover. It just pushes all the evil out quickly. You can see the potatoes, the meat, the pico de gallo, the cheese, the sauce. Oh, isn't that the perfect breakfast taco right there? I'm serious. There's something magical about what the pico de gallo does to that freshness to it. You get a little piece of onion, a little cilantro, a little tomato in there. Oh man, it's so good. 1 egg per taco. Sure, the potatoes, nice and crispy. You get a bite of that potato in there and it's lovely, and you've got to salt it enough because there's a lot of flavors in here and it has to stand up against it. Otherwise, you're not going to know you're even getting a piece of potato, but you're going to know it with this because, oh, it's so delicious. So, that is how to make amazing, awesome leftovers, breakfast tacos. Great use for pico de gallo. Great use for your ground beef taco meat. And super fast, easy thing. I mean, you saw this. It's super fast and easy. That's really piece of cake. I'm talking longer than it took to cook this. So I'm going to stop doing both of those things and just eat. So thanks for watching this. Hopefully you like, share, and subscribe down there. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.